I want to see them eat it.
Big butt fish.
I want to see them eat
Kill it. Kill it.
Kill it.
What is it doing?
I don't know. I guess it thinks he's gonna drown it, but it's not.
Yeah, you can't drown a fish.
You can drown a bird.
Oh, you heard it? Maybe it's hiding it from all the other birds.
Oh my god. Oh, that's gross.
That's so.
You cannot eat that like that. Come on now. Or can it?
It can, but it rips it apart. Now it has to. Oh!
How?
Jesus.
How?
It's like a snake.
Ew.
It's stuck in its throat.
Some birds actually die like that.
I guess. They're talking.